Evaluate integral dx by square root of 5 minus 2x square plus 4x. The integrand is in the form of integral dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Five minus 2x square plus 4x can be written as minus 2x square plus 4x plus 5. By taking common minus 2, x square minus 2x minus 5 by 2. We can write this result into perfect square. X whole square minus 2 into x into 1, a square minus 2ab plus b square means 1 square. We are adding here 1 square. Subtract minus 1 square minus 5 by 2. X square minus 2x into 1 plus 1 square is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. It can be written as x minus 1 whole square minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 by 2. That is minus square root of 7 by 2 whole square. The integrand can be written as integral dx by square root of 2 into root 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square, because here minus will go inside, then it will occur like this. That is 1 by root 2 integral dx by square root of root 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. The result is in the form of integral dx by root of a square minus x square, that is sin inverse x by a plus c. 1 by root 2 sin inverse x means x minus 1 by a means root 7 by root 2 plus some constant c. Integral x into square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. The integrand is in the form of px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Then we have to write px plus q is equal to k into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus l. Here px plus q means x. X is equal to k into d by dx of 1 plus x minus x square plus l. Therefore, x is equal to k into d by dx of 1, constant derivative 0, d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of minus x square is minus 2x plus l. Therefore, x is equal to k into minus 2x minus 2kx, k into 1 plus k plus l. Equating the coefficients like terms, clearly minus 2k is equal to 1 and k plus l is equal to 0. Since minus 2k is equal to 1, therefore k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Since k plus l is equal to 0, l is equal to minus k. Minus of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, x can be written as k means 1, k means minus 1 by 2 of 1 minus 2x plus l means 1 by 2 of root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Then minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x into root of 1 plus x minus x square plus 1 by 2 into integral root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Clearly, the integrand is in the form of, let us take 1 plus x minus x square is equal to t. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. 1 minus 2x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 into integral root t dt. Integral root t dt means t to the power of 1 by 2. Integral t power 1 by 2 means t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Clearly, we can write it as minus 1 by 2. T means 1 plus x minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into integral root of minus x square plus x plus 1. Previously, we are done this like this problems. Minus x square plus x plus 1 by taking minus common, x square minus x minus 1. We have to write this in the form of integral root of x square minus a square, integral root of a square minus x square, integral root of a square plus x square. Then we have to write it as perfect square. X square means x whole square minus 2 of x into 1 by 2. Clearly 2 will be cancelled, x will occur. A square minus 2ab plus b square means we are adding 1 by 2 whole square. We are subtracting minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. Minus of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as a minus b whole square x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1. That is minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 means minus root 5 by 2 whole square. If minus goes inside, then root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x minus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. The result is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square dx. That is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. 2 will be cancelled. Minus 1 by 3. 1 plus x minus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x by 2 means x minus 1 by 2. That is 2x minus 1 by 2. Root of a square minus x square means root of 1 plus x minus x square plus a square by 2. A square by 2 means root 5 by 2 whole square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a means x minus 1 by 2 by root 5 by 2. By writing another step, then we will get the results. Integral x plus 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. Previously, we discussed about integral x into root of 1 plus x minus x square. That is in the form of px plus q into root of x square plus bx plus c. This integrand is in the form of px plus q by root of x square plus bx plus c. Then also we have to write like this: px plus q is equal to k into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus l. X plus 1 is equal to k into d by dx of x square minus x plus 1 plus l. X plus 1 is equal to k into d by dx of x square derivative 2x minus x derivative 1 minus 1 plus l. X plus 1 is equal to k into 2x 2kx minus k plus l. Equate the quotients like terms. 2k is equal to 1, that is k is equal to 1 by 2, minus k plus l is equal to 1, minus 1 by 2 plus l is equal to 1. Therefore, l is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. The integrand can be written as 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2 by root of x square minus x plus 1. 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1 dx plus 3 by 2 into integral 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 can be written as x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. We are adding here 1 by 2 whole square extra. That's why we are subtracting minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. This x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is a perfect square. X minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. plus 3 by 4. X minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here we can observe that derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of x is 1. Integral dt by root t, that is 2 root t, 1 by 2 into 2 root t, 2 into root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by square root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dx. X square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into integral dx by root of a square plus x square means sin h inverse x by a. Here there is a root 3 by 2 into sin h inverse x minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. Here one of the important problem in this chapter. Integral 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. The integrand is in the form of integral dx by a plus b cos x or integral dx by a plus b sin x or integral dx by a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Then we have to write sin x comma cos x in terms of tan. After that put tan is equal to t, then integrate. That is the procedure. Clearly integral 1 by 1 plus sin x as written in the form of tan, that is 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus cos x means 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. By taking LCM, 1 plus tan square x by 2 occurs in the denominator. LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2, 1 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. Clearly tan square x by 2, tan square x by 2, these two will be cancelled. 1 plus tan square x by 2 means secant square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2. 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 is equal to t. Derivative of 2 is 0. 2 into derivative of tan x by 2, that is secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx is equal to t. Secant square x by 2 dx means dt by t, that is log t, that is log of 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus c. Integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. The integrand is in the form of integral a sin x plus b cos x whole by c cos x plus d cos x. Then we can write numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Numerator is 9 cos x minus sin x. A into denominator means 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b into d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. 9 cos x minus sin x is equal to 4a sin x plus 5a cos x plus b into d by dx of 4 sin x. 4 is constant. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus 5. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Equating the coefficients like terms. Equating the cos x coefficient 5a plus 4b is equal to 9. Equating the coefficients of sin x 4a minus 5b, this is minus 1. Simplifying these two equations, clearly we will get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. If you will substitute for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, then you will get 5a plus 4b is equal to 9. If you substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the integrand can be written as integral a means 1 into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, b means 1, d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x whole by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Integrand 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx plus 1 into d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. Clearly, these two will be cancelled. Integral 1 dx. At present, the result is in the form of dt by t. dt by t means log t. Integral 1 dx means x plus log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus some constant c. IP examinations. Integral 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 whole by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. This integrand can be written as numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus c. Numerator is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4, that is equal to a into denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus b into d by dx of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus capital C. That is 3a sin x plus 4a cos x plus 5a plus b into derivative of 3 sin x is 3 cos x, derivative of 4 cos x is minus 4 sin x, derivative of 5 is 0 plus c. By taking common sin x, 3a minus 4b into sin x plus 4a plus 3b into cos x plus 5a plus c. Comparing the coefficients like terms, 3a minus 4b is equal to 2, 4a plus 3b is equal to 3, as well as 5a plus c is equal to 4. By simplifying these two equations, multiplying 1 with 4, multiplying 2 with 3, then you will get minus 25b is equal to minus 1. That implies b is equal to 1 by 25. By substituting this value in first equation, then you will get 3a is equal to 54 by 25. Therefore, a is equal to 18 by 25. Similarly, we will get c is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, the integrand can be written as 18 by 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus b means 1 by 25, d by dx of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5. That is 18 by 25, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 1 by 25, d by dx of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5 integral 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Clearly, these two will be cancelled. Then you will get 18 by 25 integral 1 dx plus 1 by 25. The integrand is in the form of integral dt by t. We know that integral dt by t is the log t, log of modulus of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5 into integral of, this integrand is in the form of integral 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Then we have to write sin x comma in cos x in terms of tan x. After that, put tan is equal to t. Then we have to integrate. That is 2 by 5 integral 1 by 3 into sin x means 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 of cos x means 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 5. 18 by 25 integral 1 dx means x plus 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5. Here LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2. This occurs in denominator, numerator. 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 6 tan x by 2 plus 4 ones are 4 minus 4 tan square x by 2 plus 5 ones are 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2. That is 18 by 25x plus 1 by 25 log of modulus of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5. 1 plus tan square x by 2 means secant square x by 2, tan square x by 2 plus 6 tan x by 2 plus 9 dx. 18 by 25x plus 1 by 25 log of modulus of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5 into, clearly we can observe that this denominator is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is secant square x by 2 whole by tan x by 2 plus 3 whole square dx. Clearly we can observe that derivative of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore, if you write here 1 by 2, then here it will occurs 4. At the time, the integrand is in the form of integral dt by t square. Integral dt by t square means minus 1 by t. That is 18 by 25x plus 1 by 25 log of modulus of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 4 by 5 into minus 1 by tan x by 2 plus 3 plus some constant c. Next, integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. Integral dx by 5 plus 4 into cos 2x means 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. LCM is 1 plus tan square x. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 tan square x plus 4 ones are 4 minus 4 tan square x. 1 plus tan square x means secant square x dx. 5 plus 4 means 9 plus 5 tan square x minus 4 tan square x means tan square x. Secant square x dx by 9 plus tan square x. Put tan x is equal to t, then secant square x dx is equal to dt. dt by 9 plus t square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Integral dt by 3 square plus t square. That is in the form of integral dx by a square plus x square. That is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a means here 1 by 3 tan inverse t means tan x by 3. That is 1 by 3 into tan inverse of tan x whole by 3 plus some constant c. Integral 1 by 1 plus tan x dx. Integral 1 by 1 plus tan x means sin x by cos x. That is LCM cos x. That cos x occurs in the numerator, cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. Therefore, this can be written as numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Numerator is cos x. A into denominator means cos x plus sin x plus b into d by dx of cos x plus sin x. Cos x is equal to a into cos x plus sin x plus b into derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. By equating the quotients like terms, here a plus b, equating the quotients of cos x, a plus b is equal to 1 and a minus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 1 and a minus b is equal to 0 means clearly a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the integrand can be written as integral 1 by 2 of cos x plus sin x plus 1 by 2 of derivative of cos x plus sin x. That is integral of 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx plus 1 by 2 d by dx of cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Clearly, cos x plus sin x and cos x plus sin x, these two will be cancelled. That is 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx. We can observe that cos x plus sin x is equal to t, then derivative of cos x plus sin x dx is dt. The integrand is in the form of integral dt by t. We know that integral dt by t means log of modulus of t. Therefore, 1 by 2 integral 1 dx plus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of cos x plus sin x plus some constant c. Integral 1 dx means x. 1 by 2 x plus log of plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 of log of modulus of cos x plus sin x plus some constant c. Integral of x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be split into partial fractions. That is a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Here, the, the order of x minus 1 is 1. In denominator, there is the power x into x square. Therefore, it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means if the function is in the form of f of x by g of x, order of degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x, then it is known as proper fraction. If the fraction is an improper fraction, then we have to split into proper fraction, then only we have to take partial fractions. Otherwise, we cannot split into partial fractions. Therefore, x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be written as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Put x minus 2 is equal to 0, then we will get x is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1, a into 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus b into 0, 0. Put x is equal to 3, then we will get 3 minus 1, 2, a into 3 minus 3, 0, plus b into 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2. Therefore, integral x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx can be written as integral of a means minus 1 by x minus 2 plus b means 2 by x minus 3. Integral minus 1 by x minus 2 means minus log of modulus of x minus 2 plus 2 into log of modulus of x minus 3. Next problem. Integral x minus 3 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. This fraction is a proper fraction because degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Therefore, x minus 3 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x minus 1. Here x square plus 1, this degree is 2. That can be written as bx plus c by x square plus 1. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Equating the coefficients like terms, equating the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square here, left hand side, that is 0. A plus b is equal to 0. That is b is equal to minus a. Equating the coefficient of x, equating the coefficient of x, equating the coefficient of constant, equating the coefficient of constant, then 3 is equal to a into 1, a minus c. 3 is equal to a minus c. Equal to the coefficient of x, then we will get 1 is equal to c is equal to 1. Up is integral of 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. This fraction is a proper fraction since degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. A into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Therefore, 7x minus 4 is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Put x minus 1 is equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means 7 minus 4, 3 is equal to b into 3. Therefore, b is equal to 1. Next, put x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 means 7 into minus 2, minus 14, minus 4, minus 18. This becomes 0, this becomes 0. C into minus 2 minus 1 whole square, minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square means 9c. 9c is equal to minus 18. That implies c is equal to minus 2. Equating the quotient of x square, then we will get here in right hand side, in left hand side, there is no quotient of x square. That means 0 is equal to a plus c. A plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to minus c. That means a is equal to 2. Therefore, the integrand can be written as integral of a means 2 by x minus 1 plus b means 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c means minus 2 by x plus 2. 2 into integral 1 by x minus 1 means 2 into log of modulus of x minus 1 minus plus integral 1 by x minus 1 whole square means minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus some constant